STEAM scholars, if you enjoy art and music like me, you are going to love this project. We learned that sound is energy. Energy made by vibrations that can be heard. The vibrations from the sound travel to our ear by sound waves. We also learned about music and how music is the art of sound. In music, we can hear different pitches, the highness and lowness of sound, and the tempo, the rate of speed of an instrument or song. With this project, we are going to apply all that we have learned and create an original art piece of sound waves for music. Get your creative thinking caps on. Let's create. For this project, you will need paper, markers, colored pencils or crayons, a pencil, your design thinking process notebook, and music. So first step, you are going to take out your design thinking process notebook and go over each letter in the design thinking process. A, ask, how can I create an art piece with sound waves that represent the song I'm listening to? B, brainstorm. How can I use my markers, colored pencils, and crayons to show the difference of sound waves, pitch, tempo, and a musical instrument? What color do I want to represent pitch, tempo, and musical instruments? C, collect. What information have I learned that will help me create? D, develop. What is the first step I need to make to create? E, evaluate. What works, what doesn't work, and what can I do to make my design better? F, fine tune. Is my design where I want it to be? Are there any changes I need to make? Step 2, create a key in your design thinking process notebook to show what color and wave will represent pitch and tempo. Any musical instrument you hear will represent a specific color you will choose. A key tells the meaning of the symbols in a graph, map, or in this instance, an art piece. Note, tempo is the rate of speed. So the sound waves should look like this. For a fast tempo, first we're gonna write key. And for a fast tempo, your sound wave should look like this. For a slower tempo, your sound waves will look like this. Fast. Now, for high pitch, your sound waves will look like this. And for a lower pitch, your sound waves will look like this. The waves will be closer together for a faster tempo and further apart for a slower tempo. For a high pitch, the sound waves will be taller, and for a lower pitch, the sound waves will be lower. The different colors of your art piece will come by you choosing a color for each instrument you hear. So once you have your key written down in your design thinking process notebook, your teacher will go over musical notes. Musical notes help the musician playing the instrument know how long to hold the note. Check out the video, Musical Notation, to learn more. For now, here are the notes. A quarter note equals 1 beat. 1. Half note, 2 beats. 1, 2. A dotted half note, 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. And a whole note equals 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that you know the musical notes, your teacher will play the song. The song will be played twice. The first time you hear the song, you will want to listen to the different instruments you hear. As you hear an instrument, be sure to write it down in your design thinking process notebook. You don't have to get every instrument, but try to get at least 2 to 3 instruments. Once you hear an instrument you want to represent in your art piece, write it down and pick a color to represent that instrument. Write the instrument and color in your key. For example, if I hear the piano, I'm gonna use my pink marker. So I'm gonna write piano equals pink. If I hear drums, I'm going to use my blue marker. And if I hear a flute, I'm going to use my purple marker. Also, think about how long the note was played. Was it a quarter note, a half note, not a half note, or a whole note? Now, using your key, your teacher will play the music a second time, and you will use your key to create your sound wave masterpiece. Under your sound waves, write down the number of beats you think the instrument was played to create a pattern. So, let's get started. All right, if you would like to enhance your artwork, you can take colored pencils or crayons and decorate it some more. Don't forget to put your name on your paper. Feel free to take time to share your artwork with your classmates. Until next time, stay creative, be great, and keep exploring. Bye-bye.